Sonic, you get a haircut. So, hello. Welcome to, you know what, my webcam's gonna be glitched, so I might as well just, there we go. Should be fixed now. Hopefully. Turn that down a bit. This thing is still under construction. You know, it's got a good jam, though. I could dance to this. See? Sonic's got the moves. Anyways, we've got Green Hill Zone, and that'd actually be pretty fun to see. So let's jump in. Did I lie? Cause Sonic's looking a bit weird here. What's the new Sonic model? It's basically modern Sonic, to be honest. Eh. Okay. I should probably do that there, yeah. Really different from the early access map. What happened? Is it hard to say you don't like this title screen? I mean, look at it. It's got our bouncing baby little boy, Sonic. What's not to love? I mean, it's even got the Sonic Mania title thing. I haven't really finished Sonic Mania. I'm actually at the start, in fact. So, yeah. Also, who even remembered these guys from the Archie comics? It's impossible. Oh, there's a friend. Hello, friend. Yes, hello. Where should I go? Should I go? Yeah, let's go here. Now, I have heard that there's a full speed thing for this. Is that the true thing, or I don't know. I really don't. Oh, I was right. Yep, full speed animation. It's actually really good. It's kind of like Mania all of a sudden. But Mania did not have Sky Sanctuary, so sadness on there. Because I love Sonic 3. Just the sprites of Sonic 3 are just like really good. The original classics like 1 and 2, they were not kind to Sonic. How the fuck do I make this? Perfect boy. Good boy. Special boy. Since Sonic Classic hasn't been updated in a while, except for the Sonic model, I might do another game involving Sonic, because who doesn't love this blue bouncing baby boy? Well, except for Forces, that game was kinda weak. And I don't mean Menace Infinite getting raged over being called weak, because even though that was glorious, nobody was kind to Infinite. And I'm not sure if Infinite will ever see the light of day, because, not all that good. I mean, it's average in my opinion, but the music is good in every